Hi guys, so if you're watching this video, that means it is officially fall time. I'm probably going to upload this during the fall equinox, so it is officially the first day of fall, and let's just get into the fall haul video. So I have to start off with what I'm wearing. It's with this like Good Grief shirt, and it has Charlie Brown on it. And if you're around me for a long time, you know that like whenever something goes wrong, whenever I'm like under stress, whenever anything happens, this is like my go-to kind of like catchphrase. It's like my catchphrase. I say good grief, like oh my gosh, good grief. And then it has Charlie Brown on it with a little baseball bat. It's super cute. And I got this at Ross. I think it was $13. And I don't wear a whole lot of color. I mainly stick to the color palette of black, white, and gray and a bunch of dark colors. So yeah, this is way out of my comfort zone and I really like it. I think it looks really cute. Okay, so on to what else I got at Ross. This was like $10. It is super cute. It's a blanket and it has these little foxes on it. And if you're like really close with me, you know that I love foxes. I'm obsessed with foxes. I mean, I think they're just so cute and adorable. They're my favorite animal, and this is just the cutest thing for fall. And this blue is one of my favorite colors, so it combines three of my favorite things. So the color, the animal, and it's all comfy, so I had to get that. This is like the last item at Ross, I promise, but I got these boots at Ross. And yes, these are super tiny shoes because I wear a size 6. Now I ordered a lot of things from Shein, and Shein is like my new best friend when it comes to shopping. So I got this cute camisole, kind of crop top camisole from Shein. And I kind of want to pair it with leggings, like high-waisted leggings, and a jean jacket, and probably the boots, and I think that would look super cute. So on with another Shein camisole. This is actually kind of a lacy kind of material, and it's just as short as the gray. But this one is a lacy material, and it's black, and it's a camisole. And I think that these are super cute with jean jackets and with cardigans. Now another thing from the Shein website I actually thought was really cute. This is really out of my wheelhouse. This is out of my comfort zone, but I thought it was really cute on the model. So it's this shirt. I need to iron it. It's a little bit wrinkly, but it has these poofy sleeves. And I just thought it was super cute. I liked it. I imagined it kind of with either high-waisted I imagined it with either high-waisted jeans or leggings or even like a skirt. So speaking of skirts, I got this from American Eagle. It's a really cute high-waisted, I want to say pencil skirt. It's a super stretch skirt, and this is a size 6. And I honestly haven't worn a skirt in I want to say 7-8 years. So this is like, no, even longer than that. Jeez, I haven't worn a skirt since like 6th, 7th grade. So long time. Let me just do the math real quick. It's been like 11-12 years since I've worn a skirt. Now another thing from Shein was this really cute sweater, and it has this lace kind of pattern going down the, not lace, like a lace up pattern going right down the sleeve, and it ends in a bow. Okay, so the last item of clothing has to be my favorite, and you're gonna probably be thinking, what is she talking about? Like, what can top all of those other things? But it has to do with Dutch Bros and horror movies. So this, I actually ordered this off of, I forgot what website it was, but it has a bunch of the horror movie iconic like villains, and they're just chilling out sipping on some Dutch Bros, and they have them literally drinking Starbucks, Dutch Brothers, a bunch of different products. And with my Shein order, I actually got this. It's like a little coin purse, and it was a free gift from Shein, and it has a little unicorn on it, so that's a cute little bonus. Now we're going on to the scents. We have some Bath & Body Works. Okay, and these are all wallflowers. Okay, so the first two are Fresh Balsam and Blueberry Maple Pancakes. Now the next two are actually Flannel, and Flannel is my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works scent during the fall. It's like equivalent to, what is it? Ooh, Marshmallow Fireside. That is another one of my favorites, but Flannel and Marshmallow Fireside are literally tied. This is Maple Cinnamon Pancakes. And then lastly, this one is Mahogany Apple. So as you can tell, I really like a lot of the savory, sweet, woodsy kind of smells. But that's like clearly shown here for this fall haul, especially with the scents. Like you kind of get a clear picture of who I am, what I'm all about, and my style, my preferences. So yeah, and I actually went out to the county and did this kind of fall lookbook, I want to say. It was a complete disaster. I didn't go at the right time of the day, but I'm just gonna roll it here for you. But I am gonna be going back for Instagram pictures because I did set up this tripod that I'm filming on right now to take Instagram pictures, but I didn't like the angle it was filmed at, and the lighting just wasn't there for me, so I'm gonna have to go back during either like sunrise or sunset in order to take the perfect Instagram photos. So yeah, let's just get on into the lookbook.
The days have been brighter. I felt less alone. But I am a fighter, so I am never letting go. I'm playing with fire. I'm getting so close. Got so much desire, so I am never letting go. Never letting go. Go, 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 go. Never letting go. Go, 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 go. Never letting go. Go, 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 go. Never letting go.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this fall haul. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!